What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode with me, the Bassinator, and my fishing partner, Jean. We are here at Bronkhorstspruit Dam for leg number 3 for the Cast for Cash FLW. Just got on the water, we're pretty much at our first spot, and we're going to start fishing and try to get that bite. So yeah, keep watching and hope you enjoy this one. Peace. Off camera, this little fish on the Ned rig. Where is it?
Bunch of grass. Fucking grass.
Oh.
Are you ready?
Yeah!
That's what you're looking for.
Yeah! Yes! Nice boat. Look at that monster. Well done, John. Little shits, that's all I'm catching today. Now I'm speaking to the camera. Remember, you fish with the YouTuber. I am the flare of South Africa. Yo, it's midday. Well, just past midday. Fishing is not easy, as always. We have one good keeper in the boat that John managed to pick up, and then we've got small fish. We need to upgrade. If we don't upgrade, we're not gonna stand a chance. So it is 5-1 now. And hopefully we can pick up a few more fish before we go and weigh in. So yeah, wish us luck. Yep, that's all I'm catching today, bruh. I'm catching fish that we could eat. Stop your crap, bruh. Stop your crap, bruh. Too many of these buggers, bro. Yeah. I actually saw that one come up for it.
Three points. 350. 3350.
So guys, yeah, that's the end of the day. It was a bit of a tough day for myself and John. We caught one good kicker, probably around the 1.4 kilo. It was really tough. But hopefully, you know, with the next comps, we still stay up there and keep it going. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.